Hi everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the Hanayama Enigma Puzzle. This is a level 6 puzzle and it is extremely difficult, but today I'm going to give you a quick and easy solution and also teach you how to put it back together. This is the Hanayama Enigma Puzzle. This puzzle has 3 parts to it. I like to call this one the circle, this part right here the hook, and this one the base. So first we had to hold it in the right position. So you're just going to have this hanging like this, and then this part should be jutting out to the left side. I'm going to be using this position, so you guys should switch to that position too. So first, this gap is going to go through this groove right here. You're going to push it down like this and twist it, and it should go right through like that. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video or switch to the playback speed. Next, this part, it's like this. You're going to twist it up, and this one, you're going to push it like that so it's all the way up. It should go right through and you shouldn't have to force it. And this gap right here should go right along the ridge, just like that. And then this one should follow. Now what we're going to do is we're going to switch the two. So first you're going to take this up like this, and then this part should go right over it, just like that. You're going to switch it back. And what you're going to do now is take this part right here, I'm going to show you, and it's going to slide along the ridge. So you'll have it twist a little bit, and there you go. It's going to slide right along the ridge, and as you do that, this one's going to come off, and then it should go right over. You shouldn't have to force it. Now you're practically done with this piece. You're just going to push it forward like this. It should slide right along the groove with that gap. And there you go, your first piece done. So now what you're going to do, this part, you're going to push this up like this. Take it like that. And then right here, you should have it at this position. You can just slightly push so it comes over. And you're going to twist it this way, like watch this part. So it should slide right along the ridge. And there you go. So now I'm going to teach you how to put it all back together. So you're going to take this piece right here and this piece. I'm going to have it facing this way so it's curving like that. You're going to put it in and see this gap right here. That's going to slide right through. But as you do that, you might notice it'll get stuck. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the same sliding, except twist it like that and push this one like this. See, I suggest watching this really slowly so you'll see how I do it. Just like that. Next, we're going to take this piece. It should be facing like this, and see this go right here. We're going to put it in right here so it'll slide around, just like that. So now you're going to twist this over like this. You're going to twist this up so it goes right through. And then this ridge should just go right through. Just like that. But as you're doing that, let me go back. You're going to flip this back and put this one through like that. And you'll just continue sliding it like how you were. You're going to slide this one back. Might want to jiggle it a little bit. Like that. And you're going to put it through like this. And then flip it back. Then this one should just slide right along the ridge right there. And you'll just do it until it gets stuck. So now you're going to take this one right here. This one's going to slide through. You're going to twist it a little so it slides right through. And it should go over it. You shouldn't have to force it. It should go right over it just like that. Now I'll reach it to the state where it's all tangled. So you have to really look for this piece. So what you're going to do is just jiggle it a little till it aligns here. And the rest is there. That's it. That's how you solve the Hanayama Enigma Puzzle. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if it did, make sure to like this video and share it. Thank you.